Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Sunday. I have a Bath & Body Works candle review to share today. We are talking about toasted coconut s'mores, which, yum. Probably my favorite summertime snack. I love s'mores. We're lucky enough to have a fireplace in our backyard, and I keep s'mores making supplies outside pretty much most of the year, except when it's like super cold out. It's one of our favorite things to eat. So we are kind of s'mores connoisseurs in our house. So as soon as I saw this when I shopped the semi-annual sale, and I noticed it was on the sale table, well, let's just face it, basically all of the candles that were available in store on the day that I went to the semi-annual sale, which I want to say was the first day of the sale. All the candles in store were 50% off. Like, that was the quote-unquote semi-annual sale when it came to the candles, so just their regular sale. Anyway, I was really surprised to see this on the table because I didn't expect this to be out already. I thought this was going to be released after the semi-annual sale, but there it was. There were actually, I think, 3, maybe 4 more on the table, and I seriously contemplated picking them up because I loved it so much on Cold Sniff, and I do have a little bit of regret about that now, especially because it's so delicious, you guys. Honestly, this candle smells edible. That being said, it has some flaws. It is not a flawless Bath & Body Works candle, but we'll talk about the flaws here in a second. Packaging's really nice. It has this nude, kind of matte finish to the glass. Label's very simple. It has that classic kind of White Barn label. I really think they hit the nail on the head with the packaging here. It's actually rather sophisticated looking for Bath & Body Works. The lid is also a ceramic lid, so if you like to repurpose things like this, this is actually a pretty nice lid to be able to repurpose. So that's kind of nice. Let's talk about the description here. So the notes on the bottom read gooey marshmallow, toasted coconut, milk chocolate, and golden graham crackers. I have to say that there is no different description that I could give you in any kind of way. It smells exactly like s'mores that were sprinkled with like oven toasted coconut, like shredded coconut. It is definitely a gourmand scent. It is a sweet scent. It's not cloying. I think that all of the notes are really nicely equally balanced. You can smell that graham cracker, you can smell the milk chocolate. It's very clearly milk chocolate. It has that kind of malty chocolate scent to it. You can smell that marshmallow note and that toasted coconut for sure. It tastes like you opened a bag of like the sweetened shredded coconut and you spread it out on a pan and you gently toasted it in your oven and you sprinkled it on top of your s'more before you like topped it with the other side of the graham cracker. It smells so good, you guys. This is a delicious candle. If you think this particular scent really appeals to you, I would definitely say check it out. But I want to warn you, and I'm just going to set my phone down here. I just needed it to read the description. I'm going to show you guys the inside of this candle. This here is my 4th burn. After this burn, I will definitely be kind of past the halfway point. And I have to admit, I think I'm going to end up putting this one into a candle crock. I don't want to, but I think I'm gonna have to because it's starting to soot pretty badly. And you can actually see that on the side of the jar there. You can see that there's quite a bit of schmutz in the wax there on the top that has yet to be melted, and also on the sides. The wicks are the very thick wicks that Bath and Body Works has. Definitely not my favorite wicks from Bath and Body Works, to be totally honest. These are the same ones that the strawberry pound cake candle has, and at the halfway point, essentially, they tend to dud out, so, which is really too bad. But I'm not sad about buying this because I think it's going to do amazing in my candle crock. I'm actually just finishing up the last half of another strawberry pound cake that I was burning that dudded out. So I'm just waiting for that to finish up, and then I'll definitely toss the toasted coconut s'mores in there. If you don't know what a candle crock is, I will actually link a video down below, and I will link some examples of candle crocks. They're just a great thing to have on hand for candles like this that don't behave, candles that soot, or candles whose wicks die out. And yeah, it's kind of a way to still get some life out of the candle if you don't want to deal with the hassle of returning. I don't even know if Bath & Body Works is accepting returns or exchanges right now, to be perfectly honest. If you guys missed my semi-annual sale haul, I uploaded that last Sunday. I will link it down below. I tried to get in and out of the store as quick as I could because it just wasn't an enjoyable experience this go around. So I didn't really think to ask one of the associates if they were accepting any types of returns or anything like that. I don't think this one is available on the website, but if it is, I will certainly link it down below. You might have to brave the store to see if yours has this one in stock, and if they did put it on sale, fingers crossed they did for you, because I feel like it's still worth checking out. Not because of the performance, but because of the actual scent. It's just so delicious. In terms of strength and throw, the strength is a good solid 7. The throw is also right around a 7. I obviously have it here in my entryway. It fills the entire entryway. It fills pretty much the entirety of the upstairs of our house. The airflow right here is so that essentially, here, I'm going to try to show you guys. Hi, there I am. So this big area up here essentially sucks air up and then kind of pushes fragrance towards the back of the house there. Our master is right there. It travels into the master as well. And then here's like family room. It's just kind of a nice big area. It fills this whole space here pretty well. I will say it fills the upstairs a little better than the downstairs actually, but I do think that is just the airflow right here. But it's good, you guys. I don't know. I feel a little weird recommending a sooty candle because you guys know how I feel about sooty candles, but if they could figure out the wicks on this guy, I think this is one of those scents, kind of like marshmallow fireside or leaves or, you know, like balsam, that could just be a classic for Bath and Body Works. I don't know. I really like gourmand scents, and this one is absolutely delicious. I hope it sticks around and that they improve upon it in terms of the burn, but leave the scent itself alone because it's perfection. So anyway, let me know if any of you have picked this one up. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.